Hello and welcome. Today I'd like to introduce you to Ducatur. Ducatur are the next big thing in the business data to blockchain space. Businesses out there are scrambling to get onto the blockchain for several reasons. They are doing this to cut costs, speed of execution, greater security, and most importantly, trust. In fact, businesses that don't have some kind of blockchain solution involving the trust factor will find themselves behind their competitors in the same way as those who didn't have a website in the time that the internet came out. First of all, I'd like to introduce you to some star developers who have won an award for this great application that I will demonstrate. Both of them are from Ducatur. Ducatur provides tools and a framework to enable businesses to cut costs as well as rapidly create solutions that quickly take advantage of their existing data. Ducatur is the first company to provide a multi-chain oracles framework. The first blockchains that are supported are Ethereum, EOS, and NEO. In this section, I'm going to describe an example of a betting service for future predictions of cryptocurrency prices on smart contracts. I'll start by clicking on the Create New Bet button. This then takes me on to the next screen where I can select the cryptocurrency I would like to bet on. As you can see over here, we have a choice of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripple, Ethereum. In the near future, we'll have more currencies. And in the next section over here, we have a choice, the condition, which is the default. The price will be set to higher then. And that you could also set it to be lower if you wanted to. The actual date I'm going to be placing the bet on, the price prediction, and the amount of the bet that I'm going to place in Ethereum. At this point, I'd like to place my bet for Bitcoin and set it to $10,000 and place the amount of my bet in Ethereum and set that to 2. I then click on the date, set it to 25th. Actually, I'm feeling more confident. I'm going to make it 3 after this bear market. I'm confident that Bitcoin will go up. Now I can check on MetaMask to see whether the details of my transaction are correct. That's the send to address. Everything looks okay. And now I'll just click on Submit. I now need to verify the transaction, so I'll do that using MetaMask. And there it is. That's the from address. That's my address. I'll pause it here for a sec and check that the Ether amount is correct, 3 Ether, and the to address that I'm sending to is also correct. And I can now check some of the other details. If I click on internal transactions, I can see that the last transaction that I did was 23 seconds ago, and all the details seem to be correct. I'm happy with that. You have just witnessed a front-end service for making and observing bets made through smart contracts in an intuitive and easy way created by Ducatur. Ducatur created an oracle that aggregates information, in this case, cryptocurrency prices from the top 5 exchanges. What is important to note is that the aggregated price from statistical outliers was cleaned. For example, Korean exchanges have a kimchi premium that makes their prices wrong for the aggregated result. So this oracle was created after aggregating prices and sending the correct price in the smart contract on the day when the bet created is due. Ducatur brings businesses a powerful set of tools to integrate with the blockchain. Ducatur are also creating a factory of smart contracts, a smart contract that effectively creates other smart contracts. Businesses will benefit from the Ducatur ecosystem, which brings trust, cost savings, greater security, and speed of execution. This will benefit most markets worth trillions of dollars. The Ducatur token sale is now on. Don't miss out on this great opportunity. Please note that I am not a financial advisor and all of the opinions expressed here are my own. Thank you for listening, and do check out the website www.ducatur.com.